Founded in 2005, Huifan is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in R&D, sales, and service of biometric and security intelligent products. It is committed to becoming the world's leading provider of biometric security integrated solutions. Through years of striving for excellence, Huifan has accumulated rich experience in R&D and sales, and its products have passed international CE, FCC, and other certifications. It has obtained 31 patents, special new products and national high-tech enterprises, and other honors. Huifan has been deeply involved in the overseas market since 2008. With its experienced, senior, and efficient team, it has provided professional and honest service support to nearly 50,000 partners from 140 countries and regions and has won wide acclaim. At the same time, it has cooperative service centers in the United Kingdom, South Africa, the United States, Thailand, Singapore, and other regions. Successfully participated in many large-scale projects in many countries, such as Nigeria, Angola, Mexican presidential elections, Pakistani banking and telecommunications projects, Tanzania large-scale telecommunications registration projects, Ghana agricultural projects, and has become a long-term designated supplier for many projects and customers. Huifan will, as always, adhere to the professional and dedicated service spirit, regard every customer as a partner, and strive to win the market with high quality, reasonable price, and timely service, win-win with customers, and create a better tomorrow with friends from all over the world.